Hi, in front of me is REALME Q2 and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store, then type repos for Instagram and download this app from this developer. Meanwhile, you can go into Instagram and pick a photo that you want to download, for example that one. Tap at the three dots and choose Share To. Tap on the Repost app and go back to the Play Store. Now open this app and click one of the options. Then tap Agree and tap on the photo. Tap on the square icon to remove the label and click middle button. As you can see, my picture was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!